Good morning, guys. We're here at the Buena Vista Suites, located in Orlando, Florida. This is a Walt Disney World Good Neighbor Hotel. It is located just a few miles outside of Disney World. We're about to check out our room. I want to show you our room that we had for the night. There we go. Let's come on in right here. This was our room that we had. We have already stayed here for the night, so it is not in as great condition as it was when we actually checked in last night. We got here pretty late, so we decided to wait till this morning to film. But as you can see, it is a true suite. You have your living room area here with your nice little sectional coffee table, and as you saw at the door, there is a nice little eat-in table. We like to bring gallons of water to Florida with us just because we like to be able to pour our own water into our water bottles and stay nice and hydrated instead of purchasing lots of water while we're down here at the parks. So right over here in our living room is a TV. You've got your connecting door if you did rent another room. Got a nice little stool that slides out here, some good storage space, your coffee pot, your microwave, and your refrigerator. And what I love about this is that this actually does close off. You see the door. You can close this whole room off if anyone wants to sleep out here, needs a little separation. Levi and I were actually up early this morning, so it was a perfect time to come in here, close the door, and hang out for a little bit while Asher and Chris were still sleeping. All right, so you've got your vanity area here, and right across the hall is your bathroom. Once again, this is not in as great condition as we checked in, but everything feels very clean here. There's your full-length mirror as well. And then right over here, you have your 2 queen beds, which slept great last night. Got your little desk area over here, TV, and your storage closet right here. I will say about the noise last night. So this is our view for the morning. Right now it's about 8 o'clock in the morning on September 7th. I could hear a lot of cars last night. We usually sleep with the box fan running that I'm used to, and we did not have that in our room last night. I kind of regret not taking that. It wasn't horrible, but it was definitely loud enough that I wish I had the fan. But anyway, you've got your pretty palmetto or palm tree view. And that, my friends, is your quick room tour to the Buena Vista Suites. And I honestly, when I booked this room online, it was very affordable. I think our AAA rate before taxes was right around $127, which I thought was pretty amazing for this huge room that we have. And we're only, I think, about less than 10 to 15 minutes from Disney World. And so right now we're going to head to check in to the Fort Wilderness Resort, see if we can go ahead and set up our tent. But before we head that way, we are going to go downstairs, check out their complimentary breakfast, and get ourselves ready to pack up the car.
Pizza.
I like the elevator panels.
There's drawers in here. Yeah, secret drawers. Yeah.
Taking you downstairs with us to check out the lobby, and then heading over to the complimentary breakfast area as well. We'll see what they have to offer. Always love our coffee selection, water, and all of our good breakfast items like eggs and bagels, and we've got some donuts, some bacon and sausage.
Ice.
it's time for our next adventure. Fort Wilderness Resort and Campground. Here we come. Would I stay here again? Yes, absolutely. Like, subscribe, and go ahead and check out our full Fort Wilderness video.